Isn't Halloween great? I just love Halloween, don't you, Dale?
Oh, absolutely. It's the time of year I get to do the witches dance.
And I love going out for candy. Kind of door-to-door and trick-or-treating is my favorite part.
Hey guys, the Halloween is over. I really miss the leaves in the East Coast.
Evan, are you sure you missed them?
Yeah, because people talk about getting all their steps during dancing. Here's how Randy and I were getting our steps just 2 hours ago.
That the entire neighborhood?
Hey guys, fall is almost over. We've already had Thanksgiving, Turkey Day.
Well, speaking of turkey, I had a great time doing Turkish dancing at Texacola. But is there any other dancing coming up?
Oh yeah, the folk dancers holiday is coming, Polly. It's the Stockton winter weekend is coming.
Alex Cordray,
Gergana Panova.
Rue Lester,
Richard Powers.
Orchestra Unbound.
Sally Martin.
Andy Taylor Glennis.
Fong Chi Chang and her team.
And me.
But wait, there's more.
Including our live parties from Asia, Europe, and our closing party. So mark your calendars for star date, January 27th through 30th, 2023.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Kwanzaa.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy holidays.
See you there.